Okay, now that we've got the hardware installed and our electronics completed, the last thing we want to do is just perform a final setup of the guitar. And that's just to assure that the guitar is going to play to its very best. And this normally involves 4 stages. So first we'll look at neck relief, which essentially refers to how much relief or inward bow the neck has. Now, generally you don't want a dead straight neck. If you do, because you can see the strings vibrate quite a bit, they would be hitting the frets towards the center of the neck. So what you want to do is introduce a small amount of relief to give clearance for that vibration. As you can see, toward the middle of the neck is where the string moves the most. Okay, the other thing we want to check is action, string action, which is essentially the clearance height from the fretboard to the strings. That also assists with reducing fret buzz. After that, we'll look at intonation, which essentially is how in tune the guitar is with itself. So if we hit an E, we want to also make sure we're hitting an E at the 12th fret, an octave higher. And the last thing we'll do is just check our pickup height. Okay, so the very first thing we do whenever we're performing